If you want to learn how I make my amazing aloe vera hair treatment that promotes hair growth and helps with length retention, keep watching. Before we dive in, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It gives me a sense of what videos to create, and it really helps me with the algorithm. So we are starting with 1 cup of water to brew some tea. Then we're gonna go in with fenugreek. I'm a sucker for fenugreek. It helps with hair growth, reducing hair loss, and the list goes on. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds to my boiling water and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Next, we're gonna prep this aloe vera leaf for our hair treatment. I'm going to cut the aloe vera leaf like so and use a spoon to scrape out all the aloe vera and the inner filament of the aloe vera. So we're slicing it and then using our spoon to scrape out the inner filament of the aloe vera and all the gel. I switched to a knife because it's easier to remove the aloe vera from the leaf. Then I'm going to put the aloe vera in my NutriBullet and blend it for 3 seconds just to break down the aloe vera a little bit. You don't have to blend it. I'm just doing this to get the most out of this leaf because I have a lot of hair and I want to make sure that I have enough aloe vera for this treatment. Then I'm going to run the aloe vera through a strainer twice so that the aloe vera particles don't get stuck in my hair. Trust me when I say you don't want these aloe vera pieces in your hair. It's really hard to get out your hair if you get them into your hair, so definitely strain your aloe vera. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Now going back to the fenugreek, I'll use the strainer to separate the tea from the seeds, and then I'll add 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice to the tea. Then you're gonna pour it into the mason jar and shake it up, and it's ready to use. Okay, it's application time. I use this after I take out a long-term protective style. In this case, a weave. It has great slip, it nourishes your hair, and it is great for your scalp. I pour my aloe vera hair treatment into an application bottle and then I apply it both to my hair and scalp, focusing on the ends as they are the oldest parts of my hair. So yeah, this is how I use the treatment. Once I have applied the aloe vera treatment to each section of my hair, I apply some more to my scalp and ends. You want to give yourself a little massage and then put on a conditioning or processing cap and let it sit on your hair for 45 minutes to an hour. Then after that, you can move forward with your normal wash day process. If you have leftovers, you can store it in your refrigerator for up to a week. That is all for this video. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.